Last time I made a video showing you guys some of the best Model 3 body kits out there. Well, it's been a while since that video has come out, and since then there have been a few new body kits. So I figured we'd revisit this topic and show you guys some new Tesla Model 3 body kits that are out there now. In the previous video, I talked about some of the basics that you should know when it comes to buying a body kit for Model 3, just things to expect, so I'm not going to go into that again. This video is meant to be sort of like a quick guide to point you in the right general direction of body kits, but the rest is on you to do the research and see what kit is actually good and right for you. The order in which I'm going to show you these kits have nothing to do with price, quality, fitment, or anything like that. It's just my way of just showing you guys the least aggressive kits to the more aggressive, radical designs out there that we're about to see. But the first one we're going to look at is from a company named Aero. I believe that's how you pronounce it. What this kit comes with is a carbon fiber front lip, side skirts, rear diffuser, and a rear spoiler. Aero also has a second kit for the Model 3. Basically, it's a front lip, side skirt, rear diffuser, as well as a rear spoiler. The version 1, or the one that's on the red Tesla, is slightly more aggressive. The next kit we're gonna look at is from a company called RevoSport, and RevoSport also has two kits for the Model 3. The first one is called Strauss, and this kit comes with front splitter with side blades, side skirts, rear bumper skirt, and a rear diffuser. These first kits that we're seeing, as you can tell, they're pretty easy add-ons. RevoSport has a second kit called the 3R Evolution. This one is a lot more aggressive. So this one, as you can see, it comes with a carbon fiber hood, which is really cool. When you change out the hood, it really just amplifies the whole look. It comes with active front splitter with side blades, front extended fenders, extended side skirts, rear bumper blades, active rear diffuser system, and a lightweight integrated ducktail trunk. So this is cool. This is the first kit I've shown you guys where it actually comes with a trunk replacement. Most people don't do that, so the fact that they offer it is really neat. Now this is the first kit in this video where we're starting to see some sort of paintings involved. You look at this red one here, you can tell his fenders are painted red to match the car. So now we're starting to get into painting and body panel replacement and modifications. The next kit we're going to look at is from CMST Tuning. And this is really cool because they seem to have a lot of different options for the Model 3. There's a rear diffuser version 1, side skirts version 1, rear spoiler version 2, version 1. So they have simple add-ons that you can just stick on with adhesive and some screws. And they even, as you can see, have body panel replacement parts like this bumper that's super aggressive looking. It seems like these guys have pretty much everything. Rear diffusers, wide body wheel arches, wings, carbon fiber fender replacements, hoods. Look at this hood. This hood has a clear window in the middle. Ooh, look at that. That is cool. So you have a lot of options with CMST Tuning. The last one we're going to look at is from a company that I actually got a lot of people commenting on in my previous video. It's called Robot Craftsman. I can see why. Their kits look pretty cool. So they have two versions. They have one called Hacker and they have one called Krypton. The Hacker kit, there's two. There's a wide body and a narrow body. So this kit comes with a hood, front bumper and front lip, front bumper canards, rear bumper and rear diffuser, side skirts, and fender flares. And if you decide to get the carbon fiber version of this, the hood is carbon fiber as well as the front lip, the front bumper canards, the rear diffuser, some of the side skirts, and the rest is fiberglass. And it looks like you can even get a wing for it too. And the last kit from Robot Craftsman is Krypton. This looks to be the more tame kit, I guess, because it's not a wide body. That is really clean, especially when you do a wrap like that. Oh man, that looks nice. This one looks more refined, flowy, and just cleaner. And this kit comes with a front bumper, front lip, rear bumper, rear diffuser, and side skirt. So it's a lot less. And they even have a carbon fiber package if you want to do carbon fiber. So there you go, guys. New kits for the Tesla Model 3. So if you've been looking at a kit for a Model 3, well, now you have these plus the last 7 that I did in the previous video to look at to get ideas from. If you want more information on these kits, make sure you talk to the manufacturer, get pricing from them. It's always changing. And if you can, try to see these kits in person because that way you get an idea of the quality, the fitment, all that before you actually end up buying it. And if there's any other kits that I have missed, comment down below so that way other people can see them and research into those. And who knows, maybe we'll revisit this again. But that's it, guys. I will see you later.